Well, sex cells contain half of your genetic material, so that means that the mule is getting 32 chromosomes from the horse, and then it's getting 31 from the donkey. So there's an extra chromosome that's not getting paired with anything. It's just like an extra.
And why do chromosomes need to have a partner or a pair? Why do they pair?
That I don't entirely know. I just know that they do.
Okay, fair enough. So you figured out, you came up with the number 63 based on each parent giving a certain number.
Right.
Okay. So why are mules able to be healthy if they can't pair up their chromosomes? I mean, they grow fine, they develop fine. They're strong, they can pull heavy loads.
I'm not entirely certain, but could it be that they have enough other chromosomes to get like the rest of their healthy traits, so they need having that one extra chromosome that's not paired with something that doesn't do that much?
So why does having an odd number of chromosomes affect reproduction but not growth? I guess that's the thing to think about.
Like you can't split an odd number in half and give half a chromosome.
Okay, so that's maybe why it's hard to reproduce. Why is it not hard to grow? Still can't split an odd number in half. What do you have to do to grow? What do you think about that?
The cells that have to divide.
How do cells divide when you're growing?
They contain the same genetic material in each cell.
Okay, so when you're just growing, the daughter cells compare to the parent cell, how? Like, are they different, the same?
They're the same.
Same. Okay, so if you start with 63,
You're always going to
you end up with 63. What about when you're trying to reproduce?
Then they're half.
You're trying to make cells that have half the normal number. That's where having an odd number is problematic. Good. I'm going to give you a follow-up question, which is recently, in the past 10 years or so, in the U.S., a female mule gave birth to a male mule. How could that be? What happened? Okay. What are you guys thinking about the questions up there?
So it would have 63 chromosomes, because if you take half of 64 and half of 62, which is how sexual reproduction works, you wind up with 63.
Okay, so the parents are you're assuming the parents are each giving half of their number of chromosomes. Okay, that makes sense. So why aren't they able to reproduce? Okay, so when they try to go reproduce, they want to make a cell that has half of their normal number of chromosomes. Okay, well, why are they healthy? Why can they grow?
Well, there's a difference between sexual and asexual reproduction.
Okay.
Asexual reproduction, which is like where your cells are dividing, you're just going to duplicate what you've already got and then split that off.
Okay.
Whereas sexual would be taking what you've already got and splitting it.
So you're thinking when you grow, you just like double what you've got and then you split that in half, so it's okay if it's an odd number, basically. Okay. That's it.
We're getting there.
Okay. Okay.
We're breaking it up into sections like.
Doesn't it like?
We know that these three pieces.
Yeah, those are like a sequence because you've got the same number of chromosomes and
they're
or X's, whatever these are.
State as well, and
they're just rearranged in space, but it's the same combination of things.
Right.
And what about over here? Are those the same combination of things?
Right, because like you got this stuff, right?
We're not entirely sure about this one, but I'm pretty sure it goes from here to here.
These different cells.
I took biology in
Yeah,
that grade. Like we kind of went over this process and trying to remember, but I remember that there's definitely a phase where it goes from like a dotted line to a solid line, or a solid line to a dotted line.
Okay.
If I remember right.
The circle thing in the middle.
Yeah, but I don't really remember what it means or
That's
which
okay.
word it's in.
Okay.
And we know that these two go together.
Those go together. Yeah, that makes sense. It looks like this one is just, those ones are ripped in half there.
Yeah, and then
Is there another one here that goes well with those? I mean, these have like a big red, a little red, a big blue, and a little blue that are X. Yeah. So that has the same combination of things, just in a different order. So which order do you think these should go in?
Like they come together and then they split apart and then they start.
Okay.
Right about there.
Or,
Like I said, we're trying to,
It might be this, because they're like all jumbled up, and then they put them in the middle so that it's like these are.
Right, like these are exactly the same distance from the middle, so maybe it makes sense that the one where they're in the middle comes right before
yeah, that
that.
makes more sense.
Can you find another card that goes with this
This
set?
combination doesn't really make sense.
Same combination of
And like,
X's
but like
and
this last part, like
of the same
See, the
size
thing
and
is,
all?
it's like, it's ones like
yeah,
these
the last
that
part
are
makes
tripping
sense.
us up because they're still
It's the
like,
same process.
Are these exactly the same or are they different?
no, they're not exactly the same.
Is there anything different about the color in these?
Maybe that's
They have like little bits of,
So the red one has a little bit of blue and the blue has a little bit of red, so probably they're not going to gain that color change and then lose it and then gain it and then lose it. Like there's probably going to be one point where it changes. So you may want to put the ones with the multicolored ones together and the solid color ones together, you know, and work from there. But you've got a good start. Okay, did you guys get sort of? Okay. So let's see. Tell me, start at the beginning and explain what you've got.
So we started with this one because it has all of the chromosomes and genetic material kind of clumped together. And then here it's starting to separate out. And with this one, the nucleus or
That circle thing, whatever it
yeah,
is.
is starting to dissolve so that these things
Spider things.
yeah, can attach to the chromosomes and then organize them and then split them apart.
So they're lining up single file and then you're ripping them in half. Okay, that makes sense. And this almost looks like if you put a barrier in between here, you've got like a big blue and a little blue and a big red and a little red. Okay. Now, how do you get from this to this? It seems like some stuff disappeared between here and here. That's a little troubling. And then some stuff reappeared.
So if this,
So it seems like there's something missing. Like there should be another step before you get to that stuff. So here you have these.
this looks like that,
Like which?
like this one
J?
from being split.
Which looks like J. That one?
Yeah, because this would have two. Wait.
So I noticed that you had this one followed by this one. And I agree with you. Why does it make sense to put this after this? What's the relationship between these two?
Isn't
It's half of.
yeah, like isn't this like the side of it?
It's just one of them, right? It's like the one with the big red and the little blue. So you're just focusing in on one of those. So just like you did that, let's slide these down a little. You've got one with two. Can we focus in on one of those? Like if we just focused on one half of that, what would it look like? How many should have, even if we just focus on half, it should have a big red, a little red, a big blue, and a little blue, right? Do you see anything with a big red, big blue, and little blue?
Is it the one all the way over there?
Which one?
See?
That does meet the criteria, sure. Why not? Is there anything else over there that might work?
This one. Kind of, yeah.
That one's actually an even better one to use because it also helps explain something that's going on in all these cards. Well, how are all these cards different?
The crossing over of them?
What do you mean? What does that help explain in these cards?
Like the change in the colors.
Yeah, there's like a little red at the tip of the blue one. There's a little blue at the tip of the red one. So this could explain that. So that's good there. So then what needs to come after card N here? So you've got, remember, a big blue X, a little blue X, a big red X, a little blue X, a little red X. Sorry.
So J,
Okay. And then what?
and then
Which one is the most similar to J of all the remaining ones? I'll move these over here so you can see them better.
this one has the same.
Has the same stuff. That's pretty good, yeah. Is there another one that has the same stuff too?
That one.
Uh-huh.
So that one would come there,
Okay.
and then this one.
So I agree all three of these are similar. You might think about what order. Yeah, exactly.
Oh yeah. 'cause
Okay.
you're splitting.
So now, what if we zoom in on one of these? See if you can finish it out.